Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last video, we learned plus, minus, multiply and divide. Today we will learn three more math ideas in Python: remainder, power and order of operations. First, let's talk about remainder. In Python, the percentage sign gives us the remainder after dividing. Remainder means what is left over. Let's try it. Clear the code and type print, open bracket, 10%3 and close bracket. Now click run and Python says 1. Why? Because 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 by 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 is left over. So 10% 3 gives us 1. Now let's learn about power. In Python, 2 stars together means power. Power means we multiply a number by itself again and again. Let's try it. Type print, open bracket, number 2 and then 2 stars and number 5, close bracket. This means 2 to the power of 5. And when we click run, Python says 32 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32. Now let's talk about order of operations. When Python sees more than one math operator, it follows an order. Brackets come first, then multiply and divide, then plus and minus. Let's see an example. Type print, open bracket, 2 plus 3 star 4, close bracket. Click run. Python says 14. But why not 20? Because Python does 3 times 4 first, means Python multiplied 3 and 4 first, that gives value of 12. Then Python adds 2, so the answer is 14. Now let's use brackets. Type print, open bracket, again open bracket, 2 plus 3 and close the bracket. Then star 4 and close the bracket. Now when we click run, Python says 20. This time Python does 2 plus 3 first because it is inside brackets. That gives 5 and then it multiplies 5 by 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. Same numbers, different answers. Brackets tell Python what to do first. So remember, percent gives the remainder, 2 stars means power and brackets change the order. In the next video, we will learn how to ask the user a question. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.